All right, so you've seen this truck in a previous video. Now let's talk about something that is attached to it. It is this new to me 14,000 pound, 16,000 pound gooseneck. It is home built, not by me, but by someone else who I think really knew what they were doing as far as building a trailer goes. It's got some interesting geometry to it. Has a factory built gooseneck hitch. I believe the date of manufacture on this was around 1990, according to the title. It does have a title, which is cool. I rewired it. So I put in a new junction box with a new pigtail, and then ran brakes and lights all the way back. So I rewired it. I also re-greased. I thought I was going to have to rebuild the bearings on this thing, but so far those seem to be pretty good. Really, really clean spindles on there, which I'm really happy about. I also rebuilt these suspension components here, so I put in new greasable pins. I guess they're bolts, but you can see up there I put new plates and a new rocker on. So that would be very nice to have on this. It has a 26-foot deck that we actually just put on today. Some friends and I just dug for 2x8. This last one is a little bit too narrow to fill that space, but if that space really becomes a problem, I'll just rip a 2x10 to fit that. So brand new deck, used quarter 20 self-tapping screws. They have these, find one that you can see, but they have these big Torx heads on them. All new lights, so has 6 marker lights. Probably could have gone more than that, but those are pretty easy to add. You just have to tie into one wire and ground them. New tail lights. So there you have it. To move a lot of stuff with this, and we will see what that stuff is. First thing we're going to be moving is a shipping container for another person. So that is what these D-rings are for here. They have a cross member that actually goes between them. That one was already there, but this one we added. So when you go to bind to this, it won't be able to actually spread the frame rails. So there it is. 14, 16K, somewhere in there, depending on the axle rating, which I don't really know. I'm erring on 14, 15,000 pounds. So that is my 26-foot deck gooseneck trailer.